We have successfully developed a highly effective trading strategy trading with expert option platform, specifically leveraging the capabilities of the XProfit V2 Indicator. We got our winning trade with our recent EURUSD, confirming a buy decision from our XProfit V2 signal. A winning buy alert here, with a profit of 85% with a good choice of method. Make sure to trade on high return rate. And having patience is a must for this method. You only want to rely for the trading signals. One of the most advantageous aspects of using the XProfit V2 indicator is its ability to accurately predict 1-minute reversals in the market. This capability is especially beneficial given that we are engaged in 30-second trades on expert option, providing us with a greater chance of achieving successful outcomes. By combining these tools and strategies, we are able to enhance our trading performance and increase our overall profitability. The disciplined approach to trading, coupled with the powerful predictive capabilities of the XProfit V2 indicator, sets us up for continued success in the dynamic trading environment. First, we will attach the EURUSD market chart. This will be our trading signal and indication of our strategy. As you can see in the chart, there are blue arrows and purple arrows. The blue one represents a buy position, while the purple one represents a downward entry. Take note that this indicator or arrows does not repaint. Then we will go to View tab, then Navigator. Let's attach the XProfit V2 to the chart, and this indicator can be downloaded at ultimatefxtools.com. See our entries here. All of them got good trading result, especially trading for 30-second EURUSD pair. All we need to do is to wait for the signal to pop up. As I said earlier that this method requires patience, since the indicator is accurate in terms of 30 to 60-second reversal. Especially trading with expert option.